Hey everyone, before we start, make sure to subscribe for more movie videos like this. Let's go through the most famous movie from every year. Starting from 1998 to 2024, 1998, Titanic, the movie that broke hearts and records everywhere. 1999, The Matrix, a sci-fiction revolution that changed cinema forever. 2000, Gladiator. Epic battles, honor, and the line, "Are you not entertained?" The Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, fantasy perfection begins. 2002, Spider-Man, the movie that made every kid want to swing between buildings. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, the grand finale that swept the Oscars. 2004, The Incredibles, the superhero family we all loved. 2005, Batman Begins, the dark realistic rebirth of Batman. 2006, Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest, Jack Sparrow at his best. 2007, Transformers, giant robots, action, and nostalgia. 2008, The Dark Knight, Heath Ledger's Joker made history. 2009, Avatar, stunning visuals that changed 3D cinema forever. 2010, Inception, dreams within dreams, and that spinning top. 2011, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 2, the perfect ending to a generation's story. 2012, The Avengers, when superheroes finally teamed up. 2013, Frozen. Every kid sang Let It Go. 2014, Guardians of the Galaxy. Space, music, and pure fun. Don't forget, subscribe for more movie facts and countdowns like this. 2015, Star Wars The Force Awakens, a massive comeback for the saga. 2016, Captain America Civil War, heroes fighting heroes. 2017, It, the clown that terrified everyone. 2018, Avengers Infinity War, when Thanos snapped the world. 2019, Avengers Endgame, the biggest cinematic moment in history. 2020, Tenet, the mind-bending movie that stood out during the pandemic. 2021, Spider-Man No Way Home, pure nostalgia and fan joy. 2022, Top Gun Maverick, Tom Cruise flying back into glory. 2023, Barbie, colorful, bold, and unexpectedly deep. 2024, Dune, Part 2, epic visuals and powerful storytelling. Thanks for watching. Which of these movies is your favorite? Comment below and subscribe for more.